From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, April 18th, 2022. After being closed for 765 days and losing a majority of its ships to North America, Australia has finally reopened its cruise industry. Last month, the Prime Minister said they would not be renewing the cruise ban that was first set in March of 2020. The first vessel to arrive back into Sydney was P&O Australia's Pacific Explorer at 9 a.m. local time. Princess Cruises is set to resume summer sailings this June from Brisbane. Earlier this year, Carnival Cruise Line, who had two ships sailing in the region, pulled both of them back to North America for the summer. Before the pandemic, Australia saw more than 300 cruise calls and 600,000 cruise passengers annually. And after a month of repairs in Port Canaveral, Norwegian Escape finally set sail with guests over the weekend. The vessel first ran aground off the coast of the DR on March 14th, just 2 days into a sailing. The rest of that cruise was canceled, along with 4 subsequent voyages, as hull repairs in Port Canaveral took longer than planned. Norwegian never gave official word on the damage about when the ship struck bottom, although underwater welders have been at Port Canaveral for the past 3 weeks, indicating that it was a little more than minor damage. Later this week, the ship will head across the Atlantic and in May begin a series of mostly 10-night Mediterranean sailings. And finally, if you've ever wanted to own a piece of a cruise ship, this may be your chance. Several items from the now-defunct cruise line Crystal Cruises are going up for auction later this year. Cruise Industry News reports that court filings show items such as tables, furniture, casino equipment, and even entire pallets of playing cards are going up for auction during an online sale. More details about the auction are said to be forthcoming. We'll keep you posted in case you'd like to know more or pick you up some, a slot machine or something. Who knows? A stack of playing cards. The market was closed in observance of Good Friday. It reopens later on this morning. Breaking news and industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.